Right. So, welcome on board, Peter. And we are here today to just talk about more about this sale that you just got. So, in the COA process, you're going through it all. You made the sale. Tell me more about that.
It's been very helpful that there's a lot of direction in the program around just doing whatever it takes to get a sale. And there's obviously closing scripts and ways of framing and focusing the client or the potential client during the call. And it made it a lot easier. I've been in business for over 30 years, and talking to clients has been something that's very easy for me. But despite that, I still learned some tips and tricks in this program, which still made it easier. And even the idea of ways of packaging was very important, so that I could give
Mm,
my clients some options and offers and do that on the fly and be flexible. And this program is all about that flexibility.
amazing, amazing, amazing. And so, from where you were before COA to where you are now, what are the major distinctions, or what have you seen in yourself from before to where you are now?
Um, I'm much more likely right now, if a client calls and tries to book me for one coaching session, I'm way more likely to say, well, let's take a look at what it is, some key roadblocks that you're going through. And oh, I see that roadblock as being a 6-step method. And oh, I see that roadblock as being 12. You need at least 12 steps for that. Okay, let's bundle a system for that. And then
Mm,
this is
mm,
where you're starting, this is where you're ending, here's the number of steps, and let's just there's a little bundle right there. And it's just turning everything into a program in my head
yeah,
is something that's more new. I That's something I've never really tried to do ever in 30 years.
yeah,
That's a big
amazing.
difference. And it makes for bigger sales. And I'm also much more likely in the past. Um, I was more likely to just say, yeah, just sign up for 12 weeks or 6 weeks and just come every week. And it's just like a 6 weeks of coaching or six coaching sessions. But now I'm more likely to say more like, well, if you pay for that all up front, we can add in some bonuses and we can turn it into more of a program. And I'll give you this couple of extra things. And that's something I wasn't really doing before.
Incredible, incredible. And so, what have you enjoyed the most about COA thus far? So, some people say it's the system in
Easy,
itself, and
easy answer.
which what was it?
Easy answer. Easy answer. No, no, definitely. By bar none, it's the team. That's everything. Okay, I've been through multiple programs that all promised that once I got into the Facebook group, there was going to be support, and then there was like the worst support ever. Or they all promised that there was going to be a bunch of other people in the program that I could look off of, and if I tried to, they didn't really have any good information. This is all about the daily live meetings, the group of people that are checking in on me, the people that are responding within a few hours in the Facebook group, like every single day, and multiple people, like team members responding. I mean, that's everything. And every time there's a problem, there's some kind of idea for a solution. So I don't have to spend too long trying to figure something out.
Amazing, amazing. And what would you tell someone who was thinking about joining COA?
Well, I have. I've even gotten a couple of referrals out to some people and used my fancy little referral link or affiliate link.
Yeah, yeah.
And This is what I tell them. Basically, what I say is there's going to be a team of people that you're going to bounce ideas off of, and they're going to tell you what to do, which is great. And I mean, any program you buy, they're going to tell you what to do. That's the whole point of a program, is you follow some videos and then you make it happen. But like, it just literally doesn't happen exactly how, like, the program's right and you follow the steps. But like, this is literally what happened to me, where Facebook algorithms changed in the time that I was in the program, where
Mm,
things that were working for other people literally didn't work for me. And it wasn't a fault of the program, it was literally Facebook changed. So just little words in the ad, just for me, it was literally one word, like the word fast made them block my ads. And
yes,
so
yes.
the team's on it. We're like, oh, I don't know, try this thing, try that thing, and then it works, and it ends up working within a day or two, and you're up and running. So yeah, it's I tell everybody that every program you go through, there's going to be hiccups, and it always comes down to how fast can the team respond and get past that hiccup.
Yeah, we're here
And
for
this
you.
team and this has it. And the other
Yes.
thing I say, the other major thing I say is that there's a huge focus in this program on getting your money back. Like whatever it is you pay for this program, you will have the tools to get your money back. And that is not a guarantee in any other program. Other
Okay.
programs only guarantee that you will learn something, that you will have a program launched. I know at least 3 people that paid like $5,000, went through a business launch program, made $0, literally
Mm.
$0. No matter, no amount of ads, no amount of social media marketing, they made $0 on multiple programs that they created, and yet they all paid 5 grand. No guarantee. So here, I mean, you don't know this, but I already made my second sale, and my client started yesterday. So I now have 2 people that are in
Oh, what?
program.
I didn't know
Yeah.
that.
So I'm
That's
like, that's pretty good. And the funny thing is that didn't, neither of those came from ads, but because of running ads, because of like running through the sales, like the targeting, the customer targeting, because of looking, passing these ideas, by writing my HVG, passing the ideas by so many of my
mm,
potential clients, I'm getting their feedback. And the whole idea of don't write your program until you sell a program. I sold 2 programs that I'm not even marketing. Who cares? They're programs still. They just weren't
incredible.
the ones I was marketing. No
Hmm.
problem. Keep going. So yeah, I got 2 sales now, and
Amazing, man.
multi
Amazing.
multi week multi week programs.
Yes, amazing, amazing. Yeah, yeah. A little surprise even for me there. I was, oh, what? You didn't tell me that one at the beginning. Cool, amazing. Yeah, Peter. So look, appreciate you for being here. Now it's really just about cracking on with, getting this all really, driving this all through further forward, even more so. And yeah, looking forward to your journey. Okay, so congratulations. Honestly, fantastic work so far, and definitely more and more to come. Okay, so thank you again for being here.